Hello guys, welcome back to another video. My name is Gaming Dragon H here, and today we are going to be playing Subway Surfers. Now this game is pretty popular. It's just like Temple Run 1, it's just like all those other free games and stuff, and you know, you can get it for free. It's a free app on Google Play, so yeah, I'd love for you to play it. But this is Subway Surfers, and I just did a gaming video of this. Now I might actually just be doing gaming videos all the time. I don't know. Yeah, I've tried to. Oh gosh, I have to tap to play just like every single time. Give me a second. Okay. Yep. Hey, pot noodle. Okay. How are you doing, everybody? My name's Pot Noodle. Everything cool. How are you doing? Oh, I remember this one. I know the tutorial. It's just like Temple Run. It's just like Temple Run, technically. Fresh move, man. Oh, that reminds me of MMA. Double tap for hoverboard. Wait, we get hoverboards now? Jeez. Jesus! Protection. That just protects it. Oh no! It's like I'm so good at this game. Hey, we got a high school. That's really okay, guys. So I am back now, and we're gonna continue with this game. So let's play. Oh, we go. Oh. Let's try again. This game's very laggy for some reason now. It's very laggy when I'm recording this, I think. It's when I'm recording this. It's getting really laggy. Oh, crap. Okay, so if I'm saying if I go like this. Oh! And by the way, you may say, oh my gosh, crap's a swear. It's not a swear. Okay? Oh, this is the one where you can jump really, really high. I'm not getting the birthday cake. It's not my birthday. Oh! One. Wait, I got a key? Man, we gotta be aware of those moving trains. Oh, that's cool. That's well cool. Oh my god! Wait, what? What? These things are moving! I'm gonna avoid moving trains now? What the heck? Oh my gosh! No. Hey, we got a new high score again. I guess that's pretty good. Let's go again. I'm a police dog. Oh! Oh, that roll. This is just like, I don't know, unfair Mario by the time you get to some harder levels. I want to get this one. What is it? What is it? I don't get it. Is it some kind of birthday cake? Or is that it? It's not my birthday today. No! The thing was moving. can go onto the pavement now. Oh, you've got to be kidding me. You're so dead by the time we get... Oh. Let's go. Oh! Come on! Ah! Man, can we? No, we can't. Okay, let's tap to open this. And we got more coins! Collect 500 coins, mission complete. Okay, let's tap to continue. We got a new high score once again. If you guys want to have like more episodes of this, then I'm really fine with that, because I think this game is pretty cool. Just gonna keep on playing this now because I'm so addicted to playing it. If you want to see any more Temple Run If you want to see any more Temple Run games, if you want to see any more Temple Run games or Temple Run similarity games, oh, that's so cool. Then please say in the comments below that you would like more from Subway Surfers. Oh, I would want to get that guy. I would want to get that guy ran over. Seriously. Oh my gosh. I think we lose our coins while we're at it. Oh, it's third one. It's gonna get us screwed. We're so screwed. Oh, no, we're not. Jump it! Jump it! Oh yeah, there's a way you can get onto the... Oh! Oh, I thought I was... Oh, look at them high scores all the time now. Wait, can we change our character? Or what? Let's just play again. Hi! Yo. You do that and then you mess straight up. You do that and then you mess straight up. Okay, come on. Oh, there's a third one. Go down! I can't get that gift thing, whatever. That was moving. We can't get that. Oh. Now I heard that takes you to the top part. It takes you to the top part. Yeah, we can't do that. Okay, let's keep on going with this. This game's pretty good so far. Pretty good. Okay, let's keep on going. Come on, let's keep on going. Jump or flip. I don't know. Oh, there we go, we got it. I thought we were actually going to miss out on that one. Let's get that. Okay, so there's just these... Oh, that's going to be well hard if I jumped on them. Boing! 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 No! Oh! Oh! Yeah, new high score! Let's go! Play. I think we're doing pretty good on this one. This is actually the best game I've ever played in this whole channel, I bet. Apart from Five Nights at Freddy's 4 demo. It's got to be my favourite. Oh, it scared me too. Now just thinking about it. game's getting really, really laggy a bit. I think it's because I'm recording. Never mind. Okay, it's getting better. I was going to be run over. I don't understand. How can you... Oh! What? I don't understand. How can it knock you straight off? Should have ran me over. But then again, this game's not supposed to be violent or anything, so I kind of understand. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh no! Goodbye. We got on a bit more 4. No, we didn't get 4. The game's less laggy now. Yes. This is the thing I was talking about, guys. This is what I was talking about. This is actually what I was talking about. No! He's... Oh, I heard a voice. That's his voice. That pain sound, like... I guess it's because this is a kid-friendly game, and... You know, it wouldn't really matter if... It wouldn't really matter, though, if we were like... Ah! My bones! They've been broken. Oh my gosh, it's getting harder and harder. This is like Unfair Mario Temple Run version. Oh no! There is no way I could get through that. If I could, that would be amazing. But obviously I can't. With my face cam to the corner. Hi! 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 I am the Terminator. Is that really how he speaks? No, I'm just messing with you all. That's really SFM. If you think about it, it's a bit cheesy to be something else. Wait, could we unlock that this whole time? Coins! Oh no! I got my hands up. I got my hands up. Whoa! Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Come on! Please! How is this happening? This is just like a whole complete different level. If we actually land on that, that'd be well cool. No, we can't. I bet that's making way for a moving one. No! That's just too bad. Yes, I score. We're gonna tap to continue. We're gonna do this one more time, and then we're gonna end the video off here. Now, if you want more of this, please say it in the comments below, please. Oh my gosh. Yes. I'm just like, oh my god, I'm gonna fail. Okay, let's see how far we get. Boing. Boing. Smacked his head. Okay guys, so that's all I've got for today, and I will be seeing you all in the next video. Now, you guys know that I'm a subscriber of Cory Kenshin. To show this, I say goodbye, Samurai Brothers, and praise to the ninjas. Goodbye.